Hello children, how are you? I am Ruma Mukherjee and I am your EVS teacher for today. Let's have a quick recap on the chapter Mind Sense Organ. Before we proceed, let's watch this video. This video is about our 5 senses.
I have 2 eyes so I can see, and a nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch, they do it very well. I have 2 ears so I can hear the birds up in the trees. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat. I have 2 eyes so I can see, and a nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch, they do it very well. I have 2 ears so I can hear the birds up in the trees. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat. Apples. I have 2 eyes so I can see, and a nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch, they do it very well. I have 2 ears so I can hear the birds up in the trees. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. So what did we learn from this video? That we have 5 senses: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to listen. Nose help us to smell and breathe. Tongue help us to taste our food. Skin help us to touch and feel. Now, in today's class, we are going to do notebook work. What we will write in the notebook? Let's have a look. We are going to write fact, keywords. Fact that we are already aware of. So today we will learn how to write facts and keywords in EVS notebook. What are keywords? What are they? Keywords are the important words which you should be well aware of, so that you can use them while writing answer. These keywords you should be well aware of. You should know the spelling of these words. That is why we are doing keywords today. What is fact? A fact is an information or any new knowledge that your teacher has shared with you. Today also I am going to share a new knowledge with you. So, as you have seen so many videos and you have been through the sessions with your teachers also, so do you know what is the fact in this chapter? I will tell you. Skin is the largest sense organ. Skin is the largest sense organ. But why skin is the largest sense organ? Can anyone tell me? I will tell you. From head to toe, our body is covered with skin. Skin is everywhere. That is why skin is the largest sense organ. Next time somebody asks you why skin is the largest sense organ, now you can easily answer the question. So today's fact is skin is the largest sense organ. I have shared the fact with you. This is the new knowledge for you. Now we will be doing keywords. Before doing the keywords, I will show you the picture of the keyword. Then I will tell you the spelling of the keyword. After that, I will tell you how to write the keywords in your EVS notebook. So, how many keywords we are going to learn today? we are going to learn today 8 keywords. Okay, let's have a look. First word is sense. Sight, hearing, taste, touch, smell. These are all our 5 senses. So what is the spelling of sense? S-E-N-S-E, sense. S-E-N-S-E, sense. Next keyword is organs. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. Nose, tongue, eyes, ear, skin. These are all our organs. What is organ? Organs means body parts. Organs means body parts. So eyes, nose, skin, these are all our body parts. Spelling of organ, O-R-G-A-N-S. Moving to next keyword, third keyword. What is this? This is the picture of eyes. Very good. E-Y-E-S. What is the spelling? E-Y-E-S. So what is the what eyes does? Eyes help us to see. Eyes help us to see. What is this? The fourth keyword is very good. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Ears help us to hear. Very good. Ears help us to hear. Moving to fifth one. What is this? This is nose. Spelling of nose, N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Nose help us to smell. Nose help us to breathe. Okay, like this. Moving to next keyword. What is this? Yes, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Now show me your tongue, everyone. Very good. Tongue help us to taste our food. Next, seventh keyword is, what is this? Our fact. Skin. Skin is the largest sense organ. Skin help us to feel, touch. What is the spelling of skin? S-K-I-N, skin. S-K-I-N, skin. Now last keyword is feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. Sometimes we feel hot, sometimes we feel cold. So this is feel. So these are all our 8 keywords that we are going to write today in our EVS notebook. Okay? Now, this is your EVS notebook. You must have seen earlier also. So your EVS notebook, one side is blank page and another this side is your rule page. Okay. So you will write on rule page, and when you whenever you have to draw web chart or you have to write fact, you have to write or draw on blank page. So first of all today, draw margin lines with yellow pencil color on every blank page. On every blank page, you have to draw margin lines like this with yellow pencil color, not with sketch pen, not with crayons, only with yellow pencil color. Now, moving to rule page, this is your rule page. First, you have to write today's day, date, classwork. Okay, make it more clear to you like this. Today's date is 4th May 2020. So you will write 4.5.20. Then today is Monday. So you have to write the spelling of Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Now, like this. Okay. Now, after writing date and day, then you have to write here classwork. C-L-A-S-S-W-O-R-K, classwork. Then you have to write here lesson 3. This is lesson number 3. First was myself. Second was my body, and third is my sense organ. That's number 3. So you have to write here lesson number 3. LESSON dash 3. Next line we will write chapter name. This is my sense organ. MYSENSEORGANS. My sense organs. Now, what we are doing today? We are doing keywords today. So we have to write here keywords. KEYWORDS. Words, keywords. Now, after that, we have to draw a yellow color line. We have to draw a line with yellow color pencil. This line is also called your starting line. Okay. Now, what you have to do after that? Suppose this is your EVS book. Okay. This is your rule page. What you have to do? You have to fold your page like this. Okay. Like this, you will fold your page. Okay. So see, there is a mark. Okay. Now you have to draw a line here. I will show you how. In the center, I will show you how. Because I have folded the page and the page is divided into 2 halves. Okay. Now there is a mark. Can you see a mark here? Now I will show you like this. Now you draw a line with yellow pencil color. Now this is your left side and this is your right side. Okay. Always we will start doing our work from left side only. So first we will write here 1 dot and here the keyword SENSE, sense. First keyword is sense. Now if you are not having your EVS notebook right now, do it in your rough notebook. And I'm going to put this notebook work on Snap homework today. Now second word is organs. ORGANS, organs. Next line we will write third keyword EYES, eyes. Third keyword is eyes, EYES, eyes. Fourth keyword is ears, 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 ears. Fifth keyword is nose, NOSE, nose. Sixth keyword is tongue, TONGUE, TONGUE. Seventh keyword is skin, 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 skin. Now see, I don't have any space here to write. So I'm going to write in the next page. But if you have space here in your notebook, then you have to write in this page only. As I am not having space, so I'm going to write in next page. Eighth word, feel, FEEL, feel. Okay. Now, this is your right side. Now, again, we have to repeat the words. You have to write again, twice. Sense, organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, and feel. After that, we have to draw a line again. As our work is finished now, so we have to draw a line again with yellow pencil color. This line is called your finishing line. Okay. Now, this is your blank page. What we are going to do with the blank page? Okay, I will tell you. Wait. We will write fact here. So, fact, FACT, fact. Then we have to underline the word fact, FACT, fact. Then, what is the fact? Yes, skin is the largest sense organ. This is the fact in this chapter. So, we will write skin is the largest sense organ. After writing this, we have to make a cloud with yellow pencil color. Don't forget, first you will write the fact, then you have to make a cloud with yellow pencil color. Okay? Now, moving to next. See, your work will look like this. Blank page, you have written fact, and on your rule page, you have written your keywords. Okay? And I'm going to post this work on your Snap homework today. Now, moving to next. Again, I will show you how to write. First, you will write today's date. 4.5.20. Then Monday, Monday, Monday. Then you will write classwork. Then in next line, you will write lesson number 3. Then in next line, you will write the chapter name, My Sense Organs. Then you will write keywords, as we are doing keywords today. So we will write here keywords. Then you have to draw a line. That is yours. Which line? Starting line. Very good. With yellow pencil color only. Then center line, again with yellow pencil color. Then number 1, first keyword is sense. Second keyword is organs. Third keyword is eyes. Fourth keyword is ears. Fifth keyword is nose. Sixth keyword is tongue. Seventh keyword is skin. Eighth keyword is feel. Now we are going to write on the right side also. We have to repeat the words again. So sense, organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, feel. Now after that, as we have finished our work, so we have to draw a line. That line is called finishing line, again with yellow pencil color. Now moving to next. This is our blank page. We have to draw margin lines here. Now after that we have to write fact, F-A-C-T, fact. Then we have to underline the word fact. Then what is the fact? Skin is the largest sense organ. After writing the fact, we have to draw a cloud with yellow pencil color. Now, as I have mentioned special body part in today's session, so it is very important to take good care of it also. So let me show you one video on it. Let's watch. Now let's watch.
Ouch! Something just went into my eye. Please do something, Aisha.
Jia, wait! Don't rub your eye. Let me have a look. Here, I'll clean your eye with my handkerchief.
Thanks, Aisha. But why did you stop me from rubbing my eye to remove the dirt?
The eyes are very delicate, Jia. Rubbing the eye to remove dirt can cause damage to the eye. Bathe your eyes in a palm full of water.
So how will you take care of your eyes? To remove your dirt from your eyes, do not rub your eyes. Just wash your eyes with clean water. Now we will see how to take care of our ears.
What about the ears and nose, Aisha? My little brother keeps picking up beads and other things and putting them in his ears and nose and mouth.
When something gets stuck in the ear, do not try to remove it using sharp objects such as hairpins or pencils. You may cause damage to the eardrum.
What about first aid for the nose?
Okay, how to take care of your ears? Do not put any sharp object in your ears. It may damage your ears. Okay? Now, how to take care of your nose?
If your brother gets something in his nose, inform your parents immediately. They will take him to the doctor. Meanwhile, make him breathe through his mouth. Never insert anything into the nose to pull out a stuck object. You may push the object further in and damage the nose.
Thanks, Aisha. Now I know what to do if my brother gets into any trouble.
So did you see? If something stuck in your nose also, do not take it out. Do not use any sharp objects. Okay. Now, as we have seen, taking care of your eyes, taking care of your nose, taking care of your ears. What about your tongue and skin? I will tell you how to take care of your tongue. Listen to me very carefully. How to take care of your tongue. Clean your tongue when you brush your teeth. It is very important while brushing your teeth, you should always clean your tongue with tongue cleaner. It is very necessary. Next, do not eat or drink a very hot food. If it is very hot, do not eat or drink that food. It may burn your tongue. Moving to next. Do not put sharp things on your mouth like scissor, knife. No, never. Do not put sharp things on your mouth. It may hurt you. Moving to next. Avoid too spicy food. That is not good. Avoid eating spicy food. Eat healthy foods. Eat healthy foods. Vegetables, milk, fruit. Eat healthy foods. Do not lick dirty objects. These are very dirty. Do not lick dirty objects because you will get germs inside in your body by licking dirty objects. Rinse your mouth with clean water after eating. Whenever you're eating, after eating your food, always clean your mouth with clean water. Rinse your mouth with clean water. So this is the way we can take care of our tongue. Now, how to take care of our skin? How to take care of our skin? How to take care of your skin? First, wash your hands before and after using the washroom with soap and clean water. Whenever you are going for washroom or washroom or bathroom, you have to clean your hands properly with soap and water. Apply sunscreen before going out in the sun. Sun rays are harmful, so apply sunscreen lotion to protect your skin from sun. Now next is protect your skin from chemical cuts and bruises. Okay, don't go to dangerous areas. Don't use dangerous chemicals. Okay, protect your skin from that. Moving to next. If you have any wound, then always cover it with a bandage and show it to your doctor. But always try to cover it with a bandage. Eat healthy food and drink plenty of water. That is very important thing to keep your skin healthy. Eat healthy food and drink plenty of water. And take a bath daily. You must take bath daily. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed and learned very important things today. That how to take good care of your sense organs. So this is all for today. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video.